This is my new edge finder that I built out of a 1/4-inch phone jack, guitar plug, stereo guitar plug, and then I attach it to my plate. And since my bed is already grounded, I can't use a wire attached to a drill bit like everybody else does because the machine is all grounded. So I then went to the internet and I found a new script for creating that code there. And so when you press the button, here's what happens. Machine will automatically jog to the left, find the edge of the circle, then go back to the right. Then it'll go positive Y, and then it comes back negative Y. And that is dead center of that hole.